hello my YouTube fans. We are about to have another awesome color, so please join me, watch till the end for a special surprise. Click the subscribe button below, touch that like button, and share it, and give it a thumbs up. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do some awesome hair, so let's rock it out, okay? And share this with a friend. All right? Love you guys. Let's go!
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a root touch-up, highlight, and low light all at the same time. I already did the top. I always started doing the roots. Fully saturate. I always like to do the bottom a darker color. Plus it protects the ear from getting any color on it too. Pull it all the way through to the end. So from the temple down, I usually like to make that darker. It gives it great dimension. Also throughout this root, highlight, low light, I will leave some of her previous color out for different tones throughout the hair as well. I like to have my clients get the board ready for me. It's a little bit of a faster process, and it gives them something to do as well. So this is how I do my root touch-up, highlight, low light at the same time. I also toned her hair with her root touch-up. I mix it with a little bit of water and soap or shampoo, and after shampooing her hair, I put that in it and let it tone for about 5-10 minutes until I get the desired color that I like, and voila! I hope you like what you saw. Please give me a thumbs up and share this with a friend if you got some value here, and leave me a message if you have any questions. You have been watching Hair by Angeline, frickin' making it happen. Have a blessed day.